Welcome to Best by Report. The Best Retinol Serum is probably one of the most talked about skincare ingredients, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Neutrogena's Retinol Serum, exploring its benefits, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from its formulation to its potential side effects, so you can decide if this serum is the right fit for your skincare routine. Number 5. Tree of Life Trio Power Kit. Introducing the Tree of Life Trio Power Kit. This set includes 3 powerful serums designed to transform your skin. It's the perfect solution for a radiant and youthful complexion. The kit features vitamin C to brighten, retinol to reduce wrinkles, and hyaluronic acid for hydration. Used together, they visibly improve skin texture and firmness. You'll see noticeable results in weeks. These serums are packed with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera and jojoba oil. The formula is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no residue. It penetrates deep into the skin, delivering active ingredients efficiently. This allows for immediate application of other skincare products. Perfect for at-home routines or travel. The serums are mild and free from harsh chemicals. They provide essential hydration and soothing relief. This kit offers comprehensive care and gentleness. Tree of Life is committed to your skin's health. The product is backed by dermatologist testing. It also maintains cruelty-free standards, ensuring top-quality care. What we like. This set offers a complete anti-aging solution with vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. It's perfect if you're looking for a comprehensive skincare routine in one package. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this is a great choice because it is mild and gentle. What people say. My skin feels smoother, looks brighter, and even my fine lines seem less noticeable. My skin has been feeling incredibly hydrated, smooth, more even-toned, and way more plump. My skin's been noticeably brighter, smoother, and more hydrated in just a few weeks of use. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. This product is designed to help you fight fine lines and wrinkles while you sleep. It's a powerful addition to your nightly skincare routine. This night cream is formulated with retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A, and plumping hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It helps to improve the look of your skin. The unique formula delivers retinol deep within the skin's surface. It quickly fights fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. You can see smoother skin in just 1 week. This anti-aging moisturizer is clinically proven and comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. It is also formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It is a perfect addition to your daily routine. Make this cream a part of your daily anti-aging beauty and skincare routine. It offers an at-home self-care experience. Use it every night for the best results. What we like. This night cream is a great choice if you are looking for a simple yet effective anti-aging solution. It combines retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight wrinkles and hydrate your skin. If you want a product from the #1 retinol brand used by dermatologists, you should consider it. What people say. Works well, minimize the wrinkles. My face always feels and appears more hydrated. I also feel like I have a glow to my face. My appearance has improved by a lot. I've been using this product for exactly 7 days, and have had great results. Keep in mind, my lines were fine, and not terribly deep, yet, I've included before and after pictures, and you can definitely tell that the lines are almost gone, and my skin's overall texture is smoother. Number 3. Eva Naturals Retinol Serum. This serum contains 2.5% retinol, which helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and refine skin texture. Use it nightly to target uneven tone and fine lines on your face, neck, and décolletage. Its lightweight texture allows it to layer easily with other products. The serum includes botanical hyaluronic acid and organic jojoba oil to attract and lock in moisture. This non-greasy formula helps reduce water loss, restoring skin comfort and maintaining elasticity. It's perfect for dry or combination skin needing lasting hydration. Powered by propolis, dandelion extract, and vitamin-rich botanicals, this serum reduces the appearance of dark spots and acne scars. Antioxidants support a more even complexion, while retinol and centella asiatica refine texture. Apply it to areas affected by sun exposure or past blemishes. Formulated with aloe vera, green tea, and witch hazel, this cream-based serum reduces redness and balances oil. It's suitable for sensitive skin, featuring plant extracts that maintain skin calmness. The lightweight hydration supports easy daily application. This fast-absorbing serum is non-comedogenic and applies smoothly under other products. You can use it on your face, under eyes, neck, and body. Use it consistently to support long-term clarity, firmness, and hydration across skin types. What we like. This serum is ideal if you're looking to target dark spots and acne scars. It combines retinol with botanical ingredients to refine texture and support a smoother surface. If you like a lightweight formula that layers well with other products, you should consider this. What people say. My skin has a noticeably more even tone to it, that's the best way I can word it. Not exactly a radiance, it's not like a glowing thing, but just an overall more even color and tone. I've been using this retinol serum with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, 2 ounces, nightly for about 6 weeks, and I'm genuinely impressed by the results. The texture is lightweight and sinks into my skin quickly, no greasiness or sticky residue. My face is literally glowing and looks so hydrated. I've already ordered a second bottle and I've been using this for a few months. Everyone asks me what skincare products I use now, and I recommend this to everyone since it's the only thing I've added. I have sensitive, dry, temperamental skin and allergic reactions to many sunscreens and other skincare face products, yet I've had zero issues with this. I trust it completely and my skin soaks it up and just seems so happy. It's not a miracle product. I still get occasional pimples, and when I don't use this for a few days my skin looks like it used to, more dry and fine lines in my forehead. But while using this consistently my skin is radiant and lines are much less visible. Number 2. Eva Naturals Retinol Plus Squalane Serum. This serum combines retinol and retinol palmitate to fight aging signs. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and helps improve skin texture and tone. Use it nightly for smoother, firmer skin. The serum uses olive-derived squalane, sodium hyaluronate, and glycerin for deep hydration. It improves skin elasticity and softness. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. It combats dullness and uneven skin tone with vitamin C and antioxidants. This retinol serum helps fade dark spots and restores your skin's natural glow. It's perfect for acne-prone skin, promoting a radiant complexion. Retinol, vitamin E, and microalgae extract work together to boost collagen. This helps restore skin firmness and reduce fine lines. It supports a youthful appearance over time. The non-comedogenic formula absorbs quickly and layers well with other products. It's suitable for both morning and night use. You can combine it with your favorite skincare products for enhanced results. What we like. If you're looking for a retinol serum that's gentle yet effective, this is a great option. It combines retinol with squalane and hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and collagen boost. If you want to restore firmness and reduce the signs of aging, you should consider it. What people say. My skin has a noticeably more even tone to it, that's the best way I can word it. My skin now feels smoother overall, and I've noticed fine lines are softer and new dark spots are less noticeable. The texture is lightweight and sinks into my skin quickly, no greasiness or sticky residue. Number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Serum. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Serum. This serum is designed to target those stubborn dark spots. It helps to even your skin tone and brighten your complexion. This daily serum works to renew the look of your skin. It brightens your skin tone and improves the look of dark spots and discoloration. Clinically proven, this serum reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration. It also helps to smooth fine lines and improve skin texture. The serum is formulated with retinol and vitamin C. Retinol fights fine lines and wrinkles, while vitamin C helps with dark spots and discoloration. Suitable for all skin tones, this serum can be used daily. It's from the #1 retinol brand used by most dermatologists, so you know it's effective. What we like. This serum is perfect if you want to brighten your skin tone and even out discoloration. It combines retinol and vitamin C to target dark spots and wrinkles. If you are looking for a daily serum from the #1 retinol brand, you should consider it. What people say. This stuff is insanely effective. I don't know if it will be as magic for everyone, but I have had these dry scaled dark spots forming around my eyes, and this treated it in a few days. My dark spots began to fade within 2 weeks. I'm noticing smoother, more even-toned skin, and I don't need as much foundation. It absorbed quickly and was not drying or greasy. This is my first product with retinol and I'm hooked. I can say it's almost completely removed 2 very dark spots that have plagued me for 20 years. You have to be persistent. I actually put it on twice a day, and it really works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.